Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change and replace your brake lights and side lights in the back of your car. In this case, as always, it's my Mondeo. So if you like the videos, hit the like button down there, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and maybe turn the bell on. Now, the product Andy Brooks has sent me over from HNA Supplies is the brake lights, as I say. These are all LED to replace straight into your cluster. They're going to replace bulbs like this. Now, first things first is to remove the cluster panel at the back here. So I'm going to do so just by turning the little pins here and removing, pulling them out. And then you can reveal the cluster side here. So what's next is you've got to remove this white piece here. Let me show you closely. So with the plastic paneling out of the way, it's revealing this part, your cluster. Now you've got two pins, usually one at the top and one down the bottom, but the top one, as you can see, is broken in my case, but you still got the bottom one holding it all in. So you move this tab, holding this piece here, you pull out like so. So now you've got it out. So now you've got the cluster out. Slide it out and lower it down. Okay, as you can see, Andy's already supplied me with the indicators and the reverse lights, and you've got 1, 2, these are your brake lights, and this one's your side light as well as a brake light. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to replace these two here. This one's already out because of this one, and they're going to be replaced with the ones in this pack here. So I'm going to put this down, just out the way there. Get 2 of these out. I'm going to put one in first. Like that. So it's nice and simple. Let's get a closer shot so you can see. So now we're going to replace this side. Just twist, pull, get the new one. Same. That's them two replaced. And then you want the side light plus brake light one. So the same again, push and turn. Then out of the packet, I'm doing all this with one end. You get one of these bulbs. Okay, the ends on them are slightly different. If you look at the little pins at the bottom there, see, why aren't that focusing? Let me put this down so I can see if we can get this focused a bit more. If you look carefully, the pin down the bottom and the one at the top, they're slightly offset, so there's no mistaking where these go. So straight into here, just get them around the right way, and that's them in. So as you can see, Andy supplied me with the indicators, reverse, and now all the brake lights. All he hasn't done is supplied me with this one here, which is a fog light, which is next. So I'm going to put this back in and see what the difference is. So what I'm going to do now, so with that all back in, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go at the front of the car, leaving the camera in the boot. So what I've done now is I've repositioned the camera. The passenger side, so this side here is halogen, the standard halogen, and the driver side, this side, is the new LED ones. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go turn the ignition on, put my foot on the brake, and see if you can get a good picture of that and see what they look like. Well, what a difference. Sitting from this side, they're stupidly bright, full ring of red. Side lights are working, and so the brake lights. Let's grab the camera and show you. Okay, so this is the standard halogen. As you see, I've got one bulb out. They're all on, but they don't look that good. You come over to the driver's side. Look at that. Nice and bright. There's no mistaking if I'm stopping there with them. They're all LEDs. They're really nice, really bright. So I'm really chuffed with them. So that now is with the brake lights off. That's just your side lights. Look how much better they look. Full circle compared to the halogen ones. Obviously I've got a bulb out just here, so I need to replace that. But look how dim they look. So what can I say? You cannot fault Andy Brooks' products here at HNA Supplies. Top notch, they're really, really good. So I'd recommend you get these. There's a link in the description to his Facebook page where you can grab them. So there you have it, LED conversion from Andy Brooks against the standard halogen ones here. These ones are far better than the halogen. LED always, they use less power to actually work, and yeah, they last a lot longer. The lifespan's a lot longer on them as well. So as always, in the description, Andy Brooks, his Facebook page is there. Go and check him out, tell him Chaz sent you, and they'll sort you some out. So it's another great product from Andy Brooks. Really chuffed with them. Thanks mate. I'm going to crack on and do the other side now. So now I'm going to do the passenger side. I'm just going to crack on and let you watch what I'm doing. So it's all in. You see how quick I've done that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to test them all like I've done the other side and see how they work okay. Make sure they're all going. So I want to quickly do that now. Move the camera and give you a shot on that one as well. So as you can see, passion one ready. I'm going to test them out. Side lights should be all on. Yep, and they look a lot better as it is. So now I'm going to hit the brake lights, and the outer ring, this side, should be brighter. So hopefully that's the side lights on and the brake lights coming on and off. Definitely more responsive. So another tidy upgrade from Andy Brooks. The lights are much better, and being LED, they're instant brightness. and they will last a lot longer than a standard halogen bulb. So as you see there from the footage, brake lights are working, side lights are all working, there's a full ring around them, so it's all good. Reverse lights don't work, I've just noticed, so that'll be another video for another day. Chances are it's the switch up front, but that I'll talk about that in another video coming. And yeah, thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching. As always, if you like the video, leave a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button over here.